and welcome back to Tunnel Town. Today I'm going to show you how to make like a rainforest bedroom for bunnies in Tunnel Town. So I made a 6x2 room in about, well, let's see, at the third square on the top is where I put like some blue wallpaper instead of this cloud wallpaper that you get at level 15. Well, actually more of you unlock at level 15. I used green carpet, and the blue goes down the bottom, and I have a piece of blue carpet in the third square area still. And then on the side of like the blue part is like these bricks. So I use these bricks right here. And hey, get out of here. Come on, in the kitchen you go. Okay, so the cloud wallpaper is supposed to be like the clouds of the room. And the blue is supposed to be a waterfall. And the gray brick is supposed to be rocks by the waterfall. So let's start with the furniture. So I have a tall lamp, and I made it green. So I'm going to put the tall lamp in the corner over here. I have a standard bed, and I made it blue, and I'm going to place it right on the blue right there. Then I'm going to have a brown nightstand right next to it. I have a standard brown dresser, and that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, so it's supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to fall on the ground. Sorry. Okay. That was a little unexpected. So I have a green flower end table you can put right next to the bed there. And I have a sweet picture set right there. But you don't even have to have it if you don't want. If you think you like it better without, you don't have to have it. Have some sunflowers. I think they come in any other color. Set them on top of the dresser there. And then over here you just have some more area for an orangey colored tall lamp. Purchase. Okay, so now we're gonna take the tall lamp. We can add it in as like another tree. Isn't that cute? We also can add a sectional. You can choose your color. I'm gonna make it, does it come in gray? Oh man. Well, I'm just gonna make it blue. Wait, I keep skipping blue. There. Purchase. Take our sectional, kind of place it there. That's like a little tree that can sit in there. I might set the little picture here. Buy a second one. Yeah, hey! Okay, good, it's leaving. It's on its way out of here. Okay, I might put the picture better, so let's put away the picture and we'll go back and place the picture. There we go. And, sorry, I do not need more gems. I already have a lot. Well, I hope you enjoyed this cute room. Okay, there we go. And we can have this little toucan bunny. The blue part is kind of supposed to be waterfall, and like the bed, you're like sleeping in a waterfall. Get it? You're sleeping in a waterfall. People don't sleep in waterfalls. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And do not miss any of your videos of R&R or any of your videos of Tunnel Town. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!